Hi everybody, Abby here. As you may or may not know, I've recently just learned how to sew. I thought it would be nice to share my first ever project, a pencil pouch. So let's get started. Start by cutting a piece of fabric 7 inches long by the width of your zipper. My zipper is 8 inches with the tape, so mine is 7 by 8 inches. Next, you'll want to secure your fabric by using an overlock stitch or a zigzag stitch at the edges. Pin the zipper face side down to the face of the fabric. This dyed canvas is reversible, but you'll want to make sure that you have the right sides facing each other. Leave the zipper open a little bit. We'll get to this later. Start sewing at the top of your zipper using a back stitch to secure your stitches. Make sure you're using your zipper foot. When you get to the zipper head, make sure to leave the needle through the fabric and lift the presser foot. Work the zipper head past the needle, put the presser foot back down, and continue sewing. Next, pin the other side of the zipper to the other side of the fabric with the right sides facing. Sew as you did the first side, making sure that when you get to the zipper head, you lift the foot and move the zipper head past the needle. It can be a little tricky, but you'll get there. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and the end. Next thing you'll want to do is sew up both sides. I like to pin it to hold the shape better. Switch from your zipper foot to the regular presser foot. You'll just use a regular straight stitch and a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Make sure your zipper is partway open when you do your sides, or you will be in a lot of trouble later. Turn your pencil pouch right side out and poke out the corners. That's it, your pouch is good to go. This pencil pouch is an easy and versatile project which can be made in all different shapes and sizes, as well as any kind of material. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.